On today's edition of Box, as the Jordan U would say, we have a Galaxy miniature miniature personal fan model 3140 by Galaxy, and this what seems to be classic 20-inch box fan. So what we're gonna but it might not be what you think it is. What it's box is a classic 20-inch box fan, but what it is on the inside, which surprised me when I first got it, is a liquid Windmere liquid, a Windmere, but made by Liquid box fan. So obviously you can see the Windmere emblem up there. But the box is classic, and the funny thing is they both look completely different. Now, to the average person, they probably look identically similar, but to a collector, obviously completely different. I mean, this is on the knob's on a different side, a completely different handle, completely different grill slats, blades, everything, completely different motor. I'm pretty sure those use the newer Lasco PSC motors or whatever. The ones that they would use in the newer ones, not like the old ones. But then this has like a big old Macmillan motor in it, I'm pretty sure. So what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be cleaning and servicing this because it needs some oil. But first, what we're gonna do is we're gonna test it out. So yeah, I'll plug it in. Is that? No, it's non-polarized. The plug is not polarized. Put this away from the camera. And the weird thing about this fan is it blows air sideways, which is really weird. Like, this thing blows. Let me get this out. It blows air like sideways, kind of, which I find weird. So it's all in the airstream, so I'll just put it away from the airstream. I have no idea why it blows air sideways. Oh, that's off. Medium. And it blows decent air. It just feels weird because it blows the air sideways rather than like middle. So like, I can't really feel the air right front and center, but here I can feel it. Maybe when I get it cleaned up, it'll be all fine. But either way, and oiled, it might be fine. But there it is. Doesn't have the best spin down, so I need to oil it and open it up for cleaning and servicing. So what we'll do first is we'll get this camera angled perfectly how I want it, and then we'll open it and see what she's all about. So yeah, let's do that, and I'll do this in a separate video. So what we want to do is we want to grab a screwdriver, driver with a screw, as my dad probably would say. He likes to say things backwards like that. Come on, we got it. There we go. It's a bit hard to get off. Screwdriver would be the best. That's fine. Put this up on here. That's for my old BE. Could be doing something with that. And probably, actually, no, I'm gonna remember how the grills go, because the back one has a slat missing for the cord, which is pretty cool, I guess. Try not to get in the way of the camera for your guys' viewing pleasure. But you know, this thing is sweet. This thing is like a treat. It's nice. It seems a little bit dirty on the actually. Holy cow! This thing is perfect underneath all that dust. Holy cow! This thing is perfect. Like, holy cow! This thing is actually amazing under all that dust. No wonder it was so much. Oh my god. This thing is rotten, but it's like, if I clean it, it's perfect. Man. Oh, maybe this thing does blow a lot of air after all. Maybe it doesn't blow it sideways. I don't know. Why is this like that? Oh, because this is like that. Okay. Alright. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna remove the blade. Let's come off. Come off. Yep, I feel it. Yep, it's off. Beautiful. This beautiful Lakewood blade. Dude, that's dirty. Holy cow, yeah. Nothing but a good cleaning for it. Alright. Now, what we do before we get to this big bad boy. Could, sand this. Oh, I still got it plugged in. I'm never gonna. No, I don't usually do that. I don't usually leave them plugged in. That's kind of weird for me, to be honest. Yeah. It's on the camera. I'll do like checks, see if it's on the camera or not. I don't really have that many box fans. I mean, if I take in account all my box fans of all sizes, then I have about like wait, 5 full size and 1, 2, 3, 4. About 11 box fans. I have 5 full size box fans, not including this one, and I have about 6 smaller box fans. 2 Airworks, 1 Duracraft box fan, and then another Duracraft, but it's like, it's not, it's like it's this model called the Newberry Street or whatever. It's an interesting model. I'll get to filming it one day. Now, is this, okay, no way. No way, like, no way, they just did not do that. Oh, and they did. And they did. Great. So, what we gotta do is, because Lakewood Engineering is Lakewood Engineering, which usually I imagine is pretty good. I've never really dealt with that many Lakewood fans before, but still, that is a bit unfortunate. Let's see the thing. Cam 1. It's not a Macmillan, that's a ripoff then, isn't it? It say Macmillan on it, right? What does it say Macmillan? It's not a Macmillan then. No, it's not. It's a stinking ripoff. That's great. Thing will be washed. let's take off the motor first. That sucks. That does as well, but it doesn't suck as much as it not being a Macmillan. Man, it looks so much more bigger on the inside. I thought it was going to be a Macmillan. I already got a fan with a Macmillan in it. But still, it would have been cool to have liquid with a Macmillan. Is this really under here? Yeah, you guys are really pushing the limits of what can be done here, right? Amazing. Just to Windmere's perfections. Maybe this is not a liquid. Maybe this is just some knockoff. Because my hopes... I have no idea, honestly. Maybe it is. I have no idea at all. Honestly, it looks like a liquid, but it just looks like some. But it's given like. It's just hinting at that it's just some crappy company. It's some crappy knockoff. So I don't know if you guys could help me. I have no idea. Thank you. And the other side is the same, right? Yeah, it is. All right. So cut. I gotta be careful with this. Actually, why not just turn it around? There we go. Perfect. Now, what on earth is going on here? What do we know about down here? Alright, there's this strain relief. Alright, I'll be right back. We're back. So, what I was saying was we need to get this strain relief here. Right down there. Right. And we also need to take a switch out of the motor, the thingy. So, how does this work? So it's, oh, I see now, I see. It's, hard to say. It's in this. I need to take this out. So there, I took that out, and I'm pretty sure this too. I don't know, like. I'm just gonna. Actually, no. I should. I might need to use these. Let's see. Let me get you guys a better angle or wider shot of what we're gonna do. All right. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna snip this. This thing smells old. Just has a old smell to it. It smells vintage. I mean, as it should, because it technically is. I don't know what this is gonna do, but screw it. Oh, yeah, okay. I get it. I get it. Okay. Alright. All I gotta do is these, which I will put back when I put this back together. I also need to, there, the motor is all alone. We will set that back there, and we will, we'll strip this ahead of time so nothing happens. Let's see. Probably right here. No, a bit tighter. There, perfect. The other one definitely will be a lot more easier. At first I thought it was going to be more of a challenge because I didn't really know how to take it apart, but now it actually seems really simple because I took the front guard off already. And yeah, that one, I tested that one. It's not new in box, unfortunately. But, I mean, it still has its original box, which is still nice. Seems kind of easy to pull out. I'm not gonna lie. Yep, there. Perfect. Nice. All right. Sweet. So I'm gonna clean this thing up, and then I'll get back to you when we're going to oil the motor. All right, time to bearing the oilings. But before we do that, I would like to whatchamacallit? I would like to give it good glove. I would like to sand the bearing, sand the shaft. Jeez, that took a year and a half. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hook the motor back up, right, and we're going to sand it down with a piece of sandpaper, and then we're gonna open the motor because let me just get my gloves on. Tripped. If you can see, there's rust on the shaft. So yeah, yeah, a bunch of rust. So what we're gonna do is open this tunnel here. Alright, now we can plug it in. Hopefully without any issues. Oh look, it has an oil pour. I'd say that's enough. Now what I'm also going to do is I'm going to put some of this on it, on the shaft. But first I want to clean the motor because it's a bit dirty. Just with a toothbrush and also a bit of a shop towel. All those years of use, accumulated dust. Alright. Now, let's just do this. Go. All right. Now we'll apply some of this stuff onto the shaft. I don't know why there are two washers. There's only two? That's interesting. Usually there's like 3 or 4. 2, that's nice. perfect. It slides right off, and that is quite dirty. So, clean it off. What was that? Definitely know what it is. It's a damn space washer. Isn't it? Is this it? We're gonna try it. Yeah, either way. You know, this thing is in amazing condition. Like, it cleans up really well. Like, the only imperfections I see on this fan are like dirt. There's nothing else. It's like the bearings are just dry. So we're gonna use some of this oil. No. Obviously, use the blue can. Because this is more like multi-purpose oil, right? For like, it lubricates, penetrates, rust, cleans. So it would be perfect for like a shaft, right? But this type of oil is meant for motors. This is motor oil. That's just oil. I'm going to give it a generous amount of oil. It like sucks it up very well, like even after oiling it like a few times. Yeah, really sucks it up fast. I don't know if you can see that. But yeah, it shows how desperately this thing needs oil. Now, what I'm going to do with that is I'm going to grab this and I'm going to fold it. And we're going to take the shaft out and we're going to clean that. And we're going to pop this out very gently, very carefully so we don't break it. If we can. I'm gonna be very careful doing this. There. Perfect. And then we're gonna lay this down here. We're gonna keep it facing this way. So, like, for an example, if I, if I don't know which way it'll go, I know this is the back and this is the front, just to make sure, right? So, back one is filthy. Usually I use a brush, but this kind of stuff is just different. It's more like dirt rather than dust. So this is, wait, it has B on it. So this says B. It has B on it. I don't know if you guys can see. Focus. Yeah. B. I have no idea if they put that on there for like B for back. Like this is a back bearing, which if they did, it's handy, but it's nice to know the bearing with B on it is for the back. Look how thirsty those bearings are. And I also gotta clean it as well. Now, this is a bit dirty, but it's fine. It's not gonna do nothing to it. Now, what I'm gonna do is all this dirt. All this dirt on the back here. I'm just gonna gently wipe it off with the brush. just want to gently brush over it because you don't want to nick the windings. I think that might be as good as I'm going to get it. Yeah, that might need a new coat of varnish. Alright. Now we're going to clean the shaft off. First, we're going to clean the washers. Want to make sure it's in perfectly and not do anything to the motor. Just oil them one more time. So those are extra dry. Those are really dry. Try to see. Yeah, I don't think that's meant to go on there. Put it on there just in case. Yeah, this thing is an actual unit for being able to survive this one while being that dry. Although, I'm not gonna lie, put some oil in here. Put oil on this wick. Now we gotta line it up with the spaces. I think I just have to put it in there. No, it's the other way. Now make sure it's equally as tight. Because if it's not, then that's not too good, is it? No. Hopefully this all fits and it's good. Okay. Before we get to that, that's pretty cool either way. You could strike the shaft a few times. what I like to do is I like to move it around, see if I got any play, kind of move it this. And perfect, right? It's solid. It's really good. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to put it back together, but that will be in a separate video. Just kidding. No, it'll be in a time lapse kind of ordeal. So yeah, I'll see you when it's all put back together. All right, it's put back together and is all ready to be tested. So, without any further ado, let's plug it up and see what she's like. Let's go on low. Already much better than before. Not gonna lie, it doesn't really push that much air. It feels a bit weak. It's very quiet though. Like it makes no noise. The airflow is very wide. Like it spreads very far. Like the airflow doesn't go straight directly. It kind of comes out right. Like there's barely any air here, but then over here there's a bunch of air. I don't know, it's weird. I don't know why it's like that. No, not the most powerful. That's better. Not the most impressive, but it's still a nice fan. Definitely. Very nice fan. I like it. It might not be the most powerful, and the way the air movement works on it is kind of weird, but I still will keep it because it's pretty unique. It's a Windmere, made by Lakewood, I'm pretty sure. Box fan. It's interesting. I've only seen one of these, actually. I've seen a few of these before. I've seen one from a guy named Windmere 1993. He has one. I don't know any other instances though. Guess that's it, and I'll see you guys in the next one.